Okay, so what we're doing here is looking at how to determine the strength or the amount of resistance offered by a resistor. And we do this using Ohm's law. Okay, so first of all, let's put Ohm's law up there so we are okay with what it is. Ohm's law is V equals IR, which is potential difference times current equals potential difference. Sorry, V equals IR, potential difference equals current times resistance. Okay, now this is very, very simple practical, but you do have to understand how to do it. The pieces of equipment are obviously a power pack, which you'll be putting the power into the system. Let's just check that's working. Good, that's reassuring. You're going to have a voltmeter, okay, and an ammeter, and also obviously some wires and a couple of crock clips, and also a couple of resistors. Okay, now these resistors are different in the amount of resistance that they offer, and you need to be able to find out precisely how many ohms these resistors offer. So you have two there, and then you have some wires. So first of all, quick word about the Ohm's law equation. So V equals IR, and there are obviously three ways of writing that. You have V equals IR, but the one, they're all fundamentally the same here, different varieties of the same equation, but the one that we're looking at, obviously we need to find the resistance of something, so we need to look at, we've done some tweaks about, and we need to look at R equals V over I. That's the equation we're going to be using. So you have resistance equals potential difference divided by current, R equals V over I. So therefore you can find out the resistance of something by measuring the potential difference across it, and then also measuring the current that's going in. Okay, so let's set this up. Let's put the voltmeter to one side, and of course when you are setting up a circuit, the ammeter is always in series and the voltmeter is always in parallel. Okay, let's choose the smallest of the resistors with this. Now you've got to be quick with this because these resistors can get quite warm, as you can see maybe on this, that it is burnt there or just starting to char. Okay, so that goes into that. Now, if we were to switch this on, so that's the basic series circuit. You have got some crock clips and a resistor in between there. Okay, and then basic circuit in series. So if we switch that on and then turn the thing on, just turn that down a wee bit, you can see that the current is 0.08 on that one. Now, if we needed to measure the voltage, the potential difference across there, what we would do is we would put the voltmeter in parallel over the top of the resistor. And when we've done that, you can take a result, use the equation, and you can find out the resistance of the resistor, how much resistance in ohms the resistor offers. So, bearing in mind you can't really see that from that angle, this is the circuit that I have just done. Okay, let's turn that on, turn that on, turn that on, and you should get some results there. 2.52 and 0.08. Let's work out the resistance.